Even as Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal reiterates his stand, claiming that the Lieutenant Governor in Delhi is batting for the BJP, the centre has told the Supreme Court that it has not yet received any communication from the President regarding the Delhi government formation or, for that matter, fresh polls.
तो एलजी साहब के पास वो कौन सा गणित है जिसके आधार पे वो बीजेपी को इनवाइट करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और ऐसे लगता है कि एलजी साहब बीजेपी के लिए बैटिंग कर रहे हैं.
The Supreme Court of India was satisfied with the steps taken by Honorable Lieutenant Governor, and wherein the Honorable Lieutenant Governor had written to the President of India making a recommendation for inviting the single largest party, which is BJP. The Aam Aadmi Party, as is their practice, they tried to raise certain scandalous, baseless allegations, which was opposed by me on behalf of BJP, and the Supreme Court of India was not inclined to entertain their affidavit on today's hearing. In due deference to the sentiment expressed by this honorable court, from our side, I appearing from BJP, made a statement that as and when we receive any invite from Honorable Lieutenant Governor, we will consider it, and we will get back to Honorable Court, and we'll get back to everybody very expeditiously.
While the BJP state unit has called for a meeting in the capital to discuss the Aam Aadmi Party's allegations a day after it issued a show cause notice to BJP leader Sher Singh Dagar. Aishwarya is joining us now with the latest on this. Aishwarya, even though the BJP is trying very hard to shed any association with what Dagar allegedly does in that video, the fact is it's a crisis for them. How are they planning to firefight it?
Well, BJP is on the back foot as of now, but they understand that whatever has happened, it is their own BJP state vice president. They have completely disassociated themselves from Sher Singh Dagar, but what has happened. BJP is getting on a contingency. Then on top of it, the court giving date of 10th October. So this is something which gives a time frame of approximately a month to the BJP unit. What we are being told that today, somewhere in the afternoon, the BJP Delhi state president is set to meet senior leaders from the state of the BJP so that they could work on a contingency plan. As Times Now has been bringing this information to you, that it is only after a lot of convincing went from the BJP Delhi unit, they were at the end of the day able to get the BJP top leadership on board that yes, BJP can and rather will form the government in Delhi.
So it'll be interesting to see if we're going to see a change of strategy from the BJP vis-a-vis the Delhi polls or government formation.